Hello and welcome everyone. Our today's question is smallest number. We have given two integers s and d. We have to form the smallest number of d digits and its summation must be s. So we have two-digit number in first test case and its summation is 9. On the second test case we have three-digit number and its summation is 20. So let's build the approach. So let's take variables. Suppose d digit number we have to make, and we have to make a three-digit number, and its summation must be suppose 56. So we have to make a three-digit number, and we cannot add leading zeros. So let's take an array of three-digit, three size. So we cannot add leading zero. So we will first add one here and this. So its summation is 1. So we have added one number, so I can say now we have to add 55 more. So we can add 9 here. So add 9. So subtract 9 from this. So it will be 46. Okay, we have added 9. We can add 9 here. Okay, so let's add 9. So now we have to add 37. We have added 9. On this we have already have 1. So we can add 8 more numbers. So if we add 8 more numbers, it will be 29 and this. So 999, it is 27. So we can only add 27, but we have to add 29 more numbers. So if the number is not possible, we have to return -1. So we can add 999 three times. So 9 multiply d times. So we can add d times 9. So it will be 27. If number is s is greater than this, if our s is greater than this, then we have to return -1. So in this case it is not possible. Let's take one possible number. So let's take 15. So first we have to add 1 here and this. So I have added one number. So now remaining number is 14. I have to add 14 numbers. I can add 9 here. So it will be 5 remaining, and we have added 9. On this number we can add the remaining number or 9 number, so whichever is smallest. So 5 is smallest, so we can add 5 here. So on this index the number is 14, so we cannot add 14. The maximum we can add is 9, so I have taken 9. On this index the maximum I can take 9, but 9 we do not required. We have to make 5, so we will add 5. So let's build if condition. If our s is greater than 9, then we can only add 9. So we will add array of I to 9, and I will decrement 9 from this. Else we can only s is smaller than 9. So we can add 9, or we can add the smaller number. So we will add s, or s will become, then s will become 0. But on this index, so let's take on this index. So suppose this test case, it will fail on this test case. If our digit is 1, we have to add 1 and 4. We have to make summation 4. So I have added 1 here. So starting from this, now I have to add 3 remaining. Now either I can add 3 or I can add 9. In this case I will add 3, so now it will become 4. So remember, we have to add numbers. So we have to add, we don't need to change, we will add numbers because we have already put the value of 1 on the 0th index. So that's why we will add the numbers, not sum up the numbers. So let's code this. Code is simple. Just to check, if our summation we have to make is greater than the number, then it is not possible. Else we will make an array and first put 1 on the leading position, then as a decrement, and we will start from backwards. because we have to make the smallest number. So start from backwards, d minus 1, and our s must be positive. So we have to make a number and it will go till 0. So I minus minus, if s is positive, so we have s is greater than 9. So at most we can put 9. So we will put 9 and decrement from s. Or if the s is smaller than 9 or equal to 9, then only we can add the smallest number, so s. So we will plus or add s. Then we have an array, then just take the values from the array into our string. So I am adding answer and returning our answer. So its space complexity is order of d. D is the number of digits, and time complexity we can say is d, because we have to run a loop. So it is whichever is smallest, so number or d. So that's it. Actually, one thing, GFG totally missed one test case. Suppose our we have to make number is 0, and I can add four digits. So 4 digits 0 number. It is not possible, as you can see. We have to make 4-digit number and its summation must be 0. So as you can see, it is not possible, so it should return -1. So let's run this code. So GFG totally missed this test case. So as you can see, it is giving me 100, which is incorrect. So thank you all for watching this video.